Movement shots are where food photographers get cinematic. A pour, a toss, a splash, these are the moments that tell a story of something actively happening. They're harder than static shots, but they're more memorable, more engaging, and they stop the scroll. The universal requirements: fast shutter speed to freeze motion, strong lighting to support that speed, and volume. You need a lot of takes. This is not a one and done situation. Pour shots we covered already. Ingredients being flipped in a pan are great. Elements suspended in the air are even better. The key is controlled, repeatable motion. Work with your chef or talent to make the toss consistent so that you can shoot it multiple times from the same position. You're not hoping for a lucky accident, you're creating controlled motion and capturing it. Splashes are the most dramatic and the most unpredictable. Liquid hitting a surface, ingredients impacting a plate. Backlight usually works best because it catches the liquid particles and makes them sparkle. Plan for several attempts, get one perfect frame. The philosophy behind all movement shots is the same. Static shots say this is finished, movement shots say this is happening right now. The process. They add energy and life that a still composition cannot match. The difference between good and great movement shots is intention. Good ones are lucky frames, great ones are composed. The trajectory of the pour, the direction of the toss, the spread of the splash all serve the composition and lead the eye. You're not just creating chaos, you're creating controlled motion that works within a frame. Pick one action: a pour, a toss, a splash, set up, dial in a fast shutter speed, and do it 20 times. By attempt 20, you'll have a few keepers and you'll understand what it takes. That's how you learn movement photography.